Using your calculator effectively on the SAT math section involves knowing when to use it and when not to. Familiarize yourself with your calculator's functions and capabilities before test day, as this will help you work more efficiently. When working on calculator allowed questions, use your calculator to perform calculations quickly and accurately, but don't rely on it for every step of a problem. In some cases, mental math or other problem solving strategies may be more efficient. Be cautious about entering expressions or equations into your calculator, as input errors can lead to incorrect answers. Additionally, use your calculator's graphing capabilities to visualize functions or to solve systems of equations when appropriate. However, don't forget that some questions can be answered more efficiently using algebraic techniques or other strategies. Finally, always double check your calculator inputs and results to minimize the risk of errors, and remember to bring extra batteries or a backup calculator on test day. For more information about the SAT and the college application process, see the link in the description below. Thank you for watching our video.